Hi, welcome to the Ingredient Channel, where I share easy to follow, healthy homemade recipes every week. In this week's episode, I'm sharing an authentic Chinese steamed bun recipe with beef and radish. Steamed bun, also known as baozi or bao, is another popular food in Chinese or Asian cuisines. The preparation, fillings, and dipping vary from region to region and family to family. It could be meat or vegetarian, big or small, and you can almost find them on the breakfast table in every city of China. The one we are making is a recipe most popular in the northeastern part of China, which emphasizes on thin skin and large portions of fillings. Enough said, let's begin. First, let's prepare for the wrap. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, dried yeast, sugar, red or white, lukewarm water about 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix well. And knead into a ball. And keep the dough in a warm area, say about 80 to 100 Fahrenheit. For me, it is in the preheated oven. Let it sit and rise until it doubles in size. This typically takes about an hour or 2. Add a pinch of baking soda. Knead again to squeeze out the air. Then let the dough rest. Meanwhile, we will prepare for the fillings. I picked beef, radish, and carrot for the well-balanced nutrition and taste. Shred the radish and carrot, boil for about 1 minute to remove the earthy smell. Mince the ginger. Dice the scallion. Combine with ground beef. Five spice. Dark soy sauce. Light soy sauce. Cooking wine. Fish sauce, a bit salt. Try not to make it too salty. Cooking oil. Make sure you add enough oil if ground beef is used as the filling. Mix well until the oil is well absorbed. Next, we need the sweet potato noodles. They soak the juice and makes the buns tastier. I added a link in the description for your reference, but they are not that hard to be found in any Oriental grocery stores. Brands do not matter that much. Boil it for about 5 minutes or until it gets soft. Take out and chop into small segments. Squeeze out the water from the boiled shredded radish and carrot combo. Add the noodle and beef fillings. Add a bit more salt. Mix. Oyster sauce. sesame oil, and mix again. Time to make the ball. This requires a bit technique and practice. It took me years to get the trick. Mom even gave up on teaching me. I eventually learned it by watching and practicing. After numerous failures and eating the broken buns, I made it. We'll share a few tricks, hopefully to help you. Separate the dough into 12 equal pies. Use the rolling pin to create the wrap. Remember, center should be thicker than the skirts. The center of the wrap should be around 3 to 4 millimeter thick, and the skirt should be around 2 millimeter thick. Add a proper amount of filling on the center of the wrap. For beginners, I suggest adding less fillings. Certainly will impact the taste a bit, but it's a lot easier to manage and the success rate is higher. Now, use your right thumb and index finger to pinch a small portion of the wraps together, thumb on the top, index finger on the bottom. The left index finger push another wrinkle of the wrap for the right hand to pinch together. Use the left thumb to guide and shift the wrinkles. Also, push the fillings down as needed. Now this is the trick. Your right hand should stay in place. One common mistake is to drag the wrap, which will break the wrap. You should rely on the left hand to push and not the right hand to drag. Be patient and take one pinch at a time. Once it's done, gently round the bun up. Let's make another one together. Let the buns sit and rise for about 15 minutes. Make sure to cover them up to maintain the moisture. After that, lay the buns on the steamer liner. Keep enough room between the buns as they will expand. Could be stuck together. High heat, steam for 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, turn off the heat and let it sit for 2 more minutes before opening the lid. Oh yeah, it's time to be proud and let's enjoy. Add a bit cold water so it's easy to separate the buns from the liner. The bun is very soft. Filling is juicy and delicious. I had 3, still can't stop. Well, I'm glad you stayed through the video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please check out the other videos in my channel, comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks and see you around.